Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove your phone number from your Battle.net account. First, open your web browser and go to the official Blizzard website. The address is www.battle.net. Once the page loads, click on the Log In button in the top right corner of the screen. Enter your account email and password, then click on Log In again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might need to enter a code sent to your phone or email. Once you're signed in, move your mouse over your account name in the top right corner. A menu will appear. Click on Account Settings from that menu. This will take you to your account overview page. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options. Click on Account Details, then scroll down until you find the section that says Phone Number. You should see the number currently linked to your account. Next to it, there will be a small link or button that says Remove or Delete. Click on that. Blizzard may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the number. They may also ask you to enter your password again or send you a verification code. Follow the on-screen steps carefully. Once you complete them, your phone number will be removed from the account. After it's removed, you won't receive security codes on that number anymore, so make sure you have access to your email or set up another way to recover your account if needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.